Before start CN cleaning program. 1. You must understand coordinate on graph paper because all CN program depends on coordinate system principles. 2. Program have three parts: start, main program, and end. Example of making square path program. 1. Start N1 G00 G80 G90 G20 G40 T01 tool change G00 G54 X0 Y0 G43 H1 Z5 height offset S1000 MO3 MO8 cutter coolant on. 2. Main program absolute coordinate G01 Z1 F50 semicolon X50 F200 semicolon Y50 X0 Y0 Z5 G00 Z50 cutter coolant off. 3. End G91 G28 X0 Y0 XE homing G91 G28 G40 Z0 Z homing M30 program end. In every CN program start and end is same. Main program have profile cutting or cycle.